Hello and good morning, children. Here we met again with our next video of class UKG subject mathematics, and today we will study one new topic, that is double digit addition. So children, in our previous classes we all have studied about single digit addition, but today we will study double digit addition. To know about double digit addition, we must know what is double digit first. Okay, so let's understand about the place value first. Okay, two digit numbers are like 10, 11, 12 and so on till 99. Okay, these are what? Two digit numbers. Okay, so children, we know that every number is made up of tens and ones. Okay, for two digit numbers we have two places, that is tens and ones. Got it? So we can break every two digit number into tens and ones. And how can we do that? So if I have a number 12, I can write it as 1 in a tens place and 2 in ones place. Yes, or we can say that tens and ones are like rooms. So children, look at these digits, that is 47, and we have to make them sit in their rooms. How we will make them sit? 4 will sit in which room? Tens room, and 7 will sit in ones room. Okay, after that, see, I have written 68. Now place 68 in their respective rooms. How we will place it? 6 will sit in tens room and 8 will sit in ones room. Understood? Now let's see the next number, that is 95. Here also we will do the same thing. 9 will sit in the tens room and 5 will sit in the ones room. Now all of you understood the place value of two digits. Now let's practice some examples. Okay, see children, here I have written one question, that is 13 plus 11 equals to how much? Dash. We don't know. Let's do it. Here first what we have to do, we have to write this 13 in their respective place values. Okay, so what we will write? We will write 1 in tens place and then 3 in ones place. Understood? Then after, what symbol is there? Plus symbol. We will give plus symbol, and after that what number is there? 11. How we will write? 1 in tens place and the next one we will write in ones place. Understood? Like this we have to first place them in their respective rooms. Okay, after that we will calculate. So children, always remember that we need to add the digits in the ones room first. Okay, we will never add the digits in the tens room first. Understood? So here first we will calculate 3 plus 1. First number it is 3. Let's draw 3 lines, 1, 2 and 3. After 3, which number is there? 1. So let's draw one line only. Okay, now calculate all together, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So your answer will be 4. Got it? Now comes to tens place. Okay, here first number is 1. How many lines we will draw? 1. Okay, after that again 1 is there, again we will draw one line. Altogether how many numbers we got? 1 and 2. So your answer is 2. Understood children? Now let's move to the next example. See children, here is a question, 50 plus 30 equals to dash. We don't know the answer. Again the same we will do. We will first put this 50 in their respective rooms, and after that 30 we will put in their respective rooms. Let's start. First number is 50, so 5 we will sit in 10's room and 0 will sit in 1's room. Okay, and after that, see in the question which digit is there? 30. Let's make them put in their respective rooms. So 3 will sit in 10's room and 0 will sit in 1's room. Okay, like this you will place them in their respective places. Okay, so children, as we know that first we have to add this 1's place. So let us add. See children, here 0 plus 0. 0 means nothing. So your answer will be 0. No need of drawing lines. Okay. And now come to 10's place. Here what digits are there? 5 plus 3. So how many lines we will draw first? 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. And after that 3 digit is there. Now draw 3 lines. 1, 2 and 3. Now what we have to do? Plus symbol is there means we have to calculate all together. Now calculate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So how many number you got? 8. So your answer is 8. Okay. Let's move toward the exercise part. See children, here is the exercise. Add the following. Here 6 questions I have given, and also I have solved the questions also by drawing lines. So your work is to write this exercise in your copy. The exact thing you have to do with by drawing lines as I have done. Okay. Now your homework is to write the exercise in your maths copy. So children, we will meet again with our next video with some new topic. Okay. Till then, thank you and have a great day.